Good afternoon, P&W Blanks and Sublimation members. This is Dawn, and today is our Product Spotlight Wednesday. And we've got a couple new things to show you and a couple oldies but goodies that are back in stock. So I wanted to show you those. So we're going to start with the pot holders. So we have the white with the black non-slip silicone pad on the back. And this is the white linen. And this is one I did at Christmas. This is actually mine. And this design was from Jessica at Southern Strands. She's one of our featured designers, and it's so cute. I love the moose. Can't wait for Christmas again. So that is the white. And then we also have kind of this tan. It's a linen, but it's more of the burlappy feel with the black non-slip silicone pad. Say that real fast. So two different pot holder choices to choose from. And everything that I'm showing you is on Elena's website, pnwblankselena.com, or go to pnwsub.com for the links to all the websites. And then we have some aprons. So these are back in stock, and these are nice aprons. This is one with the black outline line. I'm not really sure what you call that, like the black piping on the side. But these sub so nice. And all this stuff is at 400 degrees, 60 seconds in your heat press. And these are 33 by 25. So they're really big. They have a nice pocket. The other side is flat, but this is huge. So this is the one with the black. And it's got the tie here. So you just put it in. Put it down, and then it's adjustable, and then it has the ones for around the waist, and you just tie those up. So this is the big one. And then we also have almost the exact same, but with the same size, but without the black. So it's the same material. It's got a big pocket, just like the other one. But this one doesn't have the black around the edges. And it also has the clasp, and it has the tie for around the waist. And this one's, I mean, they just sub so pretty. The colors just pop. So this is the one without the black. And then she also has pillowcases. And this is a Easter design from Jessica at Southern Strands. Didn't they come out so pretty on this pillow? And this is 18 by 18. So she has 16 by 16 and 18 by 18. But the colors just pop on these pillowcases. And that's just adorable. The little bunny in the wagon. So those are on Elena's website also. And then we have a new item, which is so cute. So we have a adult and kid apron size. So this is the kids. This is just a little design. Like this one I got off of Etsy. And it's got two little separate pockets. And the top just goes in here. So I guess you just tie it around here. Tie it around the neck. And then it has the waist. But aren't those cute? So that's little kids. And then the adult is the exact same, of course, just bigger. And it's got the two pockets. So they're the adult and kid size. And to be, I'll start to look at the size. I'll have to, when she posts those. So those come in white, and they also come in khaki. So you'll have the white option, or this khaki color, and that'll be an adult and kid size. So just some cute options with spring and summer coming up. We've got the adult and kid matching apron in white and khaki. Then we've got our pillowcases, and you can get 16 by 16 or 18 by 18. And then we've got our nice big linen burlappy feel without the black around it. got our nice big apron with the black around it. So I really kind of like these for the guys, and so I tried to do like a little matching King of the Grill, Queen of the Side Dishes. I thought that was funny. And those designs I got off of Etsy. And then our pot holders. So this would make a nice Father's Day gift, matching pot holder and apron. These make great Mother's Day gifts coming up. So check out Elena's website for all these cute blanks that are available. Thank you.